Ready? Again? Okay. Ready? We'll go just do a back flop. 1, 2, 3. Okay, come here.
I have visions of a pool in your future. Oh. Could you check his eyeballs for a concussion, please? Hi, buddy.
Can we take a break?
Yeah.
Phew.